Today it is that time. It is time for my Ipsy review. I've got quite a few opinions about this month. Just keep watching. Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well, and for those of you that are new, my name is Mandy and welcome to the video. So it is that time of the month. It is time for me to review the stuff that I got for the month of July from Ipsy. First of all, I've got to talk about this bag. It has got to be one of my favorite bags. I'm not going to say the best or my favoriteest. And I'm not going to say it is my most favorite bag, but I love this bag. It's almost metallic chrome blue, like an ice blue, and it does have a rainbow effect when the lights hit it. And I love this because the little zipper thing on there, it almost feels like rubber, the little Ipsy tag. I love the bag. I couldn't be happier with the bag this month. So now we're about to dig in the bag. Now the theme of Ipsy this month, and I think it's all about water. I can't remember if that's what it was, but I will put it down here somewhere. But I'm not, for some reason on their card, I'm not seeing the monthly theme. I'm thinking it's all about water. Maybe I'm just not looking at it. Okay, but anyways, you know, we get these little cards, and I don't know why, because they don't say nothing about the products. Now, I did get 6 products because I did use my Ipsy points for an extra product, and I will talk about that one at the end of the video. So if you want to stick around that long, it is a really interesting product. The first thing that I got was the BKR Water Bomb. Now, first of all, well, let me grab it out of here. Can we talk about the packaging? The packaging is awesome. I absolutely love it. I think it is so cute, and I think they make water. Pretty sure that's what it was, but that is how it comes. This is just so thick. I mean, I love the packaging. It's awesome. Okay, now this did come in the little thing right here, and of course everybody was like, who is BKR and what's a water bomb? What is a water bomb? I was thinking it was a lotion. Well, what this is it is a lip treatment. It does have a citrusy smell. It leans more toward oranges to me. Let me know if y'all got this product. Comment below if y'all got this product and tell me what you think of it, because I'm going to be honest with you, I don't like it. I mean, to the touch, it is soft and creamy, and it just feels so right. But when it goes onto the lips, it's like really thick and sticky, like a really sticky. I just don't like it. I love the smell and I love the feel of it, but not on the lips. So, and as for it being hydrating, I couldn't really tell a difference. I put it on today, matter of fact, and I feel like I could use some more chapstick, really, honestly. So that product, guys, it really didn't wow me. Guys, the next thing that I got was one of the Oprah Eyeshadows. Now, I've got mine in shade Exquisite. Now, of course, this, I think they had 2 or 3 shades. I think 3 shades, but mine I got in the black shade. And, of course, the pan size. Now, the pan size I do love. I love how big the pan size is. No, it is not that thick. If you could see that, I don't know. I'll get close-ups of it. It's not that thick, but it is very wide. And I have gotten the Oprah Eyeshadows and other products from Ipsy before, and I don't remember the pans being this wide. So I do like that. Now, guys, I'm going to be honest with you. This is a black, and it does have glitter in it, shimmer in it, whatever you want to call it. So it is a shimmer shade. I hated this. I absolutely hated this. There is absolutely no pigment at all. I dug and dug and dug and dug my brush into it, and this is the eye look. Now, tell me that outer V, that is not dark at all. And it's probably already off by now because I put it on like 2 hours ago. So, as for the first 2 products, it's trash, guys. I'm sorry, I didn't like them. Now, for the next thing that I got was SelfTaught Cosmetics. Now, this is an eyeliner cream pencil, kohl pencil. It is the Stroke a Genius Heavy Duty Kohl Pencil, and I got mine in 03 Green Light. Guys, I love the pencil. Had no problems out of the pencil. It's very pigmented, very creamy. Now, it does have a little bit of shimmer in it, but I used it on my waterline, and I had no problem with it. I love the pencil. Love it. I love that I got an eyeliner that wasn't black. Because if there is one thing that I don't need, it is another black eyeliner. Next thing that I got, guys, was the IB Beauty. IB, is it IB Beauty? Well, it's got to be IB Beauty because that's how it's spelled. Now, I got one of their eyeshadow brushes, and of course on here it doesn't show what kind of brush it is. I'll put it up here if I can find it. But it looks like a shader brush, but it also looks like a brush that you could use to pack the shadow onto your lid. I use it as a crease brush, and I find that it gives me that perfect line if I'm doing a cut crease or anything like that. The bigger that I want the line, I just coat the sides a little bit more. So I do love the brush. Next thing that I got, guys, was the Melo Cosmetics matte lipstick. Now, this is the bullet lipstick. And, you know, everybody's in the liquid lipstick craze. And, of course, I am, too. You know, I love a good liquid lipstick. And I hardly ever reach for my bullets anymore. But I do own another Melo Cosmetics matte lipstick that I absolutely adore and use all the time. And it wears like a liquid lipstick. Now, as for this one, and this is in shade Candy Floss. And as you can see, it is very pink. I mean, very pink. Guys, I didn't like it. I didn't like it. I feel like it's a different formula. First of all, let me show you my other Melo Cosmetics. This is the other one that I have, and they are both the matte lipsticks, the matte bullet lipsticks. This one is in shade Nude, and guys, if you could see that, I use it all the time, and I love it. And it wears as long as a liquid lipstick, and it's nice, soft, and creamy. Not too creamy, but it's just enough to feel comfortable on the lips, but it does last a long time. Like I said, it wears like a liquid lipstick. Now, this did not, and it usually one stroke and you got color. This one's streaky, so you need a couple of layers of this, and it's just, it don't completely matte down. So it kind of stays like that creamy, and then outside of the light, I just don't know how to explain it. I think it's a different formula. I don't think it's the same thing, and I just don't like it. Now, as for the color, I think it is cute for the summer or the spring, but I'm just not a hot pink kind of gal, if you know what I mean. I love my nudes, but every once in a while, I'll shock a color on my lips, but it's just a little bit, it's not quite my taste. Now, for the sixth item that I got with my points, it is the M Princess, and this is the loose powdered eyeshadow. Now, this is in shade Clay. Guys, I'm so glad that I got this. I love this shade. Now, I don't know if you can see it in here. Again, I will get close-ups. I will put pictures up. I fell in love with this eyeshadow. First of all, the color, that beautiful, beautiful terracotta color that I love and I long for, and I'm always reaching for a color like this. Now, it does have a little bit of shimmer in it, but you can wear this in the crease, and it just looks matte, and you could wear it on the lid, and you could layer it up enough to where you can see the little bit of shimmer that is in it. But other than that, I love this for a crease color. It's a nice bright terracotta, and I just love the color. As for that, guys, you know, half the bag was good, half the bag was bad, but that's what you get with Ipsy. I mean, it's $10 a month, so it's kind of hit or miss. And here recently, I have had some really great bags, so I was waiting for one that's going to throw me a couple of products that weren't quite right for me, and that happens to be this bag. But other than that, I'm okay with it. It's just $10, guys, so that's what it is. You're basically trying out stuff. So that is it for this video, and if you enjoyed it, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel and become part of the Glow Tart family. We would love to have you, and I love you guys so, so much, and I will see you next video. Bye, guys.